Alright guys, you're welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to run WhatsApp ads on Facebook. How to run WhatsApp ads on Facebook. That is an advert you can run from Facebook straight to your WhatsApp. Alright, in this kind of ad, you don't need a landing page, you don't need anything like a bridge page or anything. Okay, you are running the advert straight from Facebook to your WhatsApp DM. Okay, so before you can do that, you need to have access to a Facebook Ads Manager like what you are seeing on your screen. This is a Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, so from this particular aspect, if you're having issues, you can always reach out to me via my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. Okay, so before we dive into this training, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get quality updates on my videos. Alright, so without wasting much time, I will just take you through the process of running Facebook ads on WhatsApp. Okay, you run the adverts from Facebook straight to your WhatsApp. Okay, so once you come over to this place, you will see where it says create here. Right, you see create, click on create. Once you click on create, you will see engagement. Alright, you see engagement. This is what I'm talking about, the engagement. So there are different type of ads here. Let me just walk you through. You have an awareness advert. This advert is done just to let people know what you are talking about, let people know about your business. It's called an awareness. Alright, you say what it says there. It says show your ad to people who are most likely to remember them. Okay, you are advertising a particular business just to inform them of what is going on, all right, about your business or anything. All right, the next one is traffic. Traffic talks about sending people to a particular destination, a particular location. It can be your website, your app, or your Instagram page for anything, right? But this is what we call traffic. The next one is called engagement. Engagement talks about getting messages. All right, getting messages, getting people to view your videos, people to like your page, people to engage with your posts. All right, when you're talking about engagement, we are talking about like, comment, and share. All right, but also from engagement, you can also have in such a way that you get people to message you. All right, that's what we mean by engagement. Then the other one talks about lead, generating people who are interested in your business. That's what we call leads. Getting to select some kind of persons who are interested in your business. That's what we call leads. Then we have another one which is called app promotion. Like for instance, you have a particular app you want people to download, you can do an advert on that. And the last one is sales, right? Whereby people can come to your particular website and buy. Right, that's what they say. Find people likely to purchase your product or service. That's what we call sales. So in this particular one, I will be showing you how to set up a WhatsApp ad on Facebook. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's just go over to it. So if you come to engagement, you can see engagement here. You click on it. All right, you click on continue. Right, so I'll just click on manual engagement campaign. I'll click on this and click on continue. Right, okay, so once this load up now, perfect. So the first thing is you can change your name here. You can change your name. I can say I want to test one, or just say let me just put this name here. I can say one test one. Okay, that is just it. Then once you do that, you can leave every other thing you have here. Right, in this first part, there's no much thing to do. All right, the second part, you can see the asset. Click on it. Right, you click on this asset. Good. So this is where you do most of the work. Okay, so you can see where it says there. I can still do the same thing. I can still change it to was test one. All right, then you can see this thing is what? Message. Right, so I want people to message me. So that's what I will do. I want people to message me. Can you see that message? Where is it? All right, so let's say message. Let me take this thing up. So message, then this is it. So that's the message app. Then the next one is click to message. Right, sponsor message, click to message. Okay, whichever one you want to do. If you sponsor message, you can select sponsor message. Okay, then the next thing is you need to connect, right? You need to connect this particular advert to your collect this particular advert. Sorry, let me send it to click to message if I think. All right, so you need to connect this particular advert to your page. Why is this thing hanging? Okay, good. All issues have been resolved. All right, good. So the next thing is you can see where it says connect. All right, this is where most persons get it from. For you to run a WhatsApp ad on Facebook, you need to connect your WhatsApp to a particular page. All right, so if I'm using this now, I will click on connect. All right, once I click on connect, I select my country code and I select my country code. For example, this I select I type Nigeria there. You can see Nigeria. Then you put the WhatsApp phone number. It can be your WhatsApp business, it can be your normal WhatsApp. Either of both can work. So you put it there. All right, then you click on continue. Okay. So once you do that, then the engagement, leave all this part. Okay, leave all this part. Then you come to this aspect. Then how much do you want to be spending per day? You put it there, the amount of money you want to be spending per day. If it is 1,000 naira, you put it there. If it's 2,000 naira, you can put it there. The minimum amount you can spend per day on Facebook is 500 naira. All right, so every other one from 500 and above, you can put it there. Mind you, the bigger you spend your money, the bigger the result you get. So don't expect that when you spend 500 naira, you should be expecting a bigger result. No. So just understand that aspect. All right. So the next one is to do your targeting. Right? To do your targeting. Most of the time, if you are running an advert like this, if you want to do a detailed targeting, right, you come to this aspect that says audience control. You can see your audience control here. You click on edit, right? Click on edit. So which all right, okay, people live in this location. Then where are you running your advert to? Is it to Nigeria? You can select it there. Outside Nigeria, the places you want to select, you want to run your advert to. Nigeria, if Nigeria is not there, if it's state by state, and if you also have some states you want to exclude, you can also exclude here. Then if you want to, now if you look at Nigeria, maybe you want to run your advert, you don't want to cover the whole of Nigeria, you want to just cover the cities. You can come over to this place and click on, just select only include cities. Can you see it there? Only include cities. Can you see that now? You can see include all areas. No, select only include cities. All right, that is what you do. Only include cities. Okay. Then if you also have some part of Nigeria you want to exclude, you can come over to this place and you exclude them. All right. So that is what you do there. Then the next thing is audience suggestion. Okay, just come over to this place. Switch to original audience option. Once you switch to this one, particular one, use this. Okay, so that you can do your targeting very well. Right, do your targeting very well. So now you can see this part that says, where is it? All right, good. Okay, perfect. Now you can see the age range. You can see the age range. You can select your age, right, depending on what you are targeting. Right, most of the time I use 24 and above, right, at least 24 persons, 24 years old person. Some of them have sense, even though some of them do not have sense, that doesn't really matter. Right, so you have gender. If what you are selling or what you want to run your advert for involve both gender, that is male and female, you can select all gender. If you just involve only female, select, you can come here and edit. You can see it here, edit only female or only male. Then this aspect has to do with detailed targeting. In the aspect of detailed targeting, depend on what you want to do. Like a particular advert I did for a particular for one of my clients, it was for forex trading. I just come over to this place, I selected stock, right? Say stock market. Okay, can you see that now? Stock market. And now the good thing about this detailed targeting is that if you are able to select one or two, they will give you a lot of suggestions. All right, you can see suggestions. You can see stock investing. Where is it? You can see trading signal, trading strategy. You can see stock exchange. You can see shares. You can do all of this. Once you are able to get one correctly, they will give you lots of suggestions. All right, so just pick the one you want and you move ahead. Okay, then coming down, you now come to where you have your placement. Placement talks about where and where do you want the advert to show. Right, you can see the placement here. I always like editing it. Okay, if you want to use, where is it? Let me go to manual placement. All right, good. If you want your advert to be shown on Facebook, on Telegram, on Messenger, on audio network, you can use that. All right, but if you want your advert to be shown on only Facebook, you can come over to this place. You have your Facebook feed, you have your Instagram feed, you have your Facebook marketplace, your Facebook video views, video feeds rather. You have what will I call it now? Instagram Explorer. We have Messenger inbox. You still have your reels and the rest of your story. So if you want your advert to be shown on all of these packages, just know that the more you have your placement, the more money you spend. Okay, so if you want to do that way, you can also do that. The reason for that is that so you can know where you are getting, where you are maximizing. Yes, let me use that word, where you are maximizing, because sometimes it's better for you to just select all so that you know where to focus on. Right, so the next thing is, once you are done with that, let me see. All right, once you are done with that, you can still see devices. Okay, so if you want to use only Android, you can select only Android. If you want to use only iPhones, you can select that. Most of the time, just leave it at all mobile devices. Okay, just leave it at all mobile devices. Then you click on next. Okay, click on next. So now this is where you do your creative, art creative and art copy. Art copy talks about the write-up that people will read before they can see the either picture or video you are using. Okay, so once you do all of those things, you can see where it says add media. The media talks about either your flyer or your videos, either your flyers or your videos. So once you are able to do that, it will go well. Okay, then you have your primary text, you have your messenger, then you can see where it says send message. This is what they will get. Okay, now coming to this part here, you can draft a template in the sense that the message you will get, for example, you can have this one. It says, hi Julius, please let us know how we can help you. Where are you located? But you can edit it to say, you can edit it to what you want. All right, you can see where it says hi Julius. So if you want to include number, you can include number. Right, you can see this one is saying where are you located. All right, you can change this and say, hi Julius, I'm interested in learning how to earn instead of make, how to earn online. Okay, my name is, so this is what the person will get. So automated response is optional, so you can ask one or two questions. So once you are done, you save. All right, you save. So you can see that hi Julius, this one. So the next thing the person will get is, I'm interested in learning how to earn online. That's the message. All right, so you can see that it's very, very easy. You don't need to set up your tracking. You don't need to set up any landing page. You don't need anything like landing page. So all you need to do is to connect your page to your WhatsApp. Right, connect your page to your WhatsApp, either your WhatsApp business or your WhatsApp messenger. All right, that's the second part I showed to you here in the ad set. Then while the last part, you have your ad copy. Okay, you have your ad copy and have your ad creative, which can either be a video or a text. Okay, the moment you are done with that, you can now publish your ad. All right, so hope you got value from this particular short video I just showed to you. If you're having issues regarding that, my WhatsApp number is always on the description of this video. Always do well to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.